Hi everybody, this is Mrs. Moorhead, and today I'm going to be showing you how to access your child's Google Classroom along with their Bitmoji virtual classroom. The first thing that you need to do is you need to go to Chrome or Safari, whatever you're planning on using, and go to classroom.google.com. Your child needs to be signed into their Google account. They'll also be provided a Google code by their teacher. They'll need to have that so that they can access their Google account. I'm going to go into my homeroom to show you what that's going to look like. Your child will only have one of these boxes since they'll only be assigned to one room. So I'm going to go ahead and click this. Now I'm going to go to the Classwork tab at the top. This is really important. This is where most of your child's assignments and documents are going to be provided. There's lots of different tabs. What you're going to want to look for is each of these content areas: math, ELA, social studies, or science if your child is in 4th grade, and then your child's specials rotation. I'm going to click on my virtual classroom. This is going to take you to a Bitmoji classroom. Inside of this classroom, there are going to be different documents. There's going to be links provided, as well as the daily assignments for each child. Once you've opened the Bitmoji classroom, you should be able to click on each of these links that your teacher has provided you. There may be things like iExcel, Class Dojo, Mastery Connect, along with some other different links. On this whiteboard, you're going to click on the day of the task that you need to complete. Assignments are going to be posted on Friday afternoon for each content area and then not due until the next Thursday afternoon. So you will be able to go into each of these days and click for the daily assignments. So I'm just going to go ahead and click Monday. This is where you'll find your child's agenda for the day. So this is going to be what my students will be completing the first day of school. It has a daily checklist. It also has the different assignments that they're going to need to complete in Google Classroom. So as you can see up here at the top, I still have my Google Classroom tab open so that I can easily access the other documents and materials that have been provided to me by the teachers. I'm going to click back over to my Bitmoji classroom. If you need to go back to the home page for any reason, there is a home button in the top corner. This will take you back to the main page of the Bitmoji classroom. So I'm going to click there. That's going to take me back to the main page where I have my other days and my other assignments. Again, anything on here is clickable. It's going to take you to some of those links that you might need to use at a later date. Now let's say I needed to go to Wednesday. I'm going to click Wednesday, and again, those assignments are listed as well as any other steps that you might need to complete your assignments. This day will also have a YouTube video attached. As you can see here, the link for that YouTube video will be provided on this slide. I'm going to click that home button again to take me back to my home page. If for whatever reason you need to go back to the Classwork tab, let's say you needed to find a different subject, you will have your ELA tab, your social studies tab, and your specials tab all in the same place. Some other information that might need to be provided to you would also be located on this spot of your Google Classroom. Hopefully you have found this video helpful, and have a great school year. Thanks.